Hello and welcome to signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Watch this video to stay current with all the ways electronic signatures can benefit your business and streamline your day-to-day processes.
With multiple legal documents scattered across applications, devices, cloud platforms, and corporate emails, ensuring information security is more important now than ever. signNow not only resolves this issue, but satisfies every legal requirement regulating e-signatures. signNow provides a built-in audit trail to ensure that documents containing e-signatures are technically and legally sound. Thanks to signNow, legal teams can easily eliminate forgery, improve security and compliance, and keep documents safe without any hassle. Let's take a look at how signNow does the heavy lifting so that you can focus on your goals, not paperwork. If you often collect signatures for similar documents, you don't have to re-upload them over and over again. Instead, you create templates for your most frequently used documents and simply generate a fresh copy whenever you need something signed. Create a new template or document group template directly from the signNow dashboard. Click Upload and Create to upload a document from your device. Your document will be automatically saved to the templates folder. Alternatively, you can select an existing signNow document and convert it into a template by clicking Make Template. In the new pop-up window, you enter the template's name and click Create Template. Your document is now saved in the Templates folder where you can access it anytime. If you're using signNow as a team, you can also view your team's templates in the Shared Templates folder. To share a template with your team, click Share with Team and select the team you'd like to share it with. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing the document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
If you work with documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try signNow for a period of 7 days absolutely free.